As both a former judge and as a prosecutor, Kim Worthy has been on both sides of the bench. Currently, as Wayne County prosecutor, her team is responsible for prosecuting more than half of all felonies in the state of Michigan. We're honored to be joined by her today. Thank you very much for spending time with us.
My pleasure.
We can't, for legal and ethical reasons, get into the details of any trials that are out there right now, but I did want to reference that we are recording this mere hours after the guilty plea from Victor Mercado in the Kilpatrick enterprise. Specifics of any particular trial aside, this has to be an interesting time to be a prosecutor in Wayne County and in Metro Detroit.
It is, but for me, the interest in him left about 4 years ago. I mean, we prosecuted him back in 2008. We, for a number of years, and still going, we're still trying to make sure that the details of his plea agreement are kept forth. But other than that, it's the federal government and their issue right now. And we'll see what happens with their case.
The interesting thing about some of the cases that are in the news right now is the degree to which they really involve business. It's business contracts. It's business people. It's how contracts get let and not where the money goes. As a prosecutor, what are your feelings about the impact that crime has and public corruption specifically has on the business climate and in the perceptions of business people on Wayne County specifically as a place where you can safely and honestly do business?
Well, it's huge. Perception-wise, there are a lot of people who think if you come to Detroit or Wayne County, because of the executive's recent problems for the last year, that businesses are not going to get a break, or that those who are in government who may oversee what businesses are here and how they succeed are corrupt, and the whole pay-to-play mentality still hasn't gone away. So it's a perception issue, I think, first and foremost.